Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, at home low back pain relief stretches. Now, I do make a lot of great content for those folks suffering out there with low back pain problems, herniated discs, sciatica, etc, etc. If that is you, then hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload some great content for you guys to get you back on the road to recovery. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, so today we've got some really simple at-home low back pain stretches. They're laid out in a routine format, so you'd go from the very first stretch all the way through to the end. I'm not going to do it for the full time because that would take too long a video, okay? But you can follow along at your own pace, pause, and play as and when, okay? So we're going to start. I'm going to be on the ground here, and we're going to be stretching out that lower back region a little bit. So I'm going to show you from the front and the side, okay? From the side first of all, you're going to lie on your back here like so. Get yourself comfortable. My feet are about hip width apart. Again, I'll show you from the front. And I'm just letting my knees gently go to one side, and then they rock back to the other side. See, I have my toes off the ground, okay? So I can rock my hips a little bit more freely. Now I'm going to show you from the front. I do apologize up front for the groin shot, okay? So it's here, they go to the sides, back over. And you want to do 10 of these in total, 5 on each side. This starts to loosen up the lower back hip region, make it slow and controlled. Don't rush it. Good. So once you've done your 10 in total, you're going to come back to this position here. You're going to take your left ankle, place it on the right knee. We're going to be stretching out the glute region here. We're just going to lift up the opposite side and take behind the knee or over the top. Whatever is most comfortable and keeps your head, neck and shoulders on the ground and not in tension, and pull that towards your upper body. You'll feel a stretch in this glute here. You're going to hold that for 30 seconds. Then you're going to switch to the other side, okay? And you can bring it up, hold it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, remember with stretching, you don't force it, okay? You want to feel the stretch, but it shouldn't be painful. You shouldn't be like stuttering, okay, so much tension, okay? You want it to be nice, gradual, gentle stretching. Then when that's done, legs go back down. Now we're going to take the left leg, keep the right knee bent, bring the left leg. I want you to bring this knee up toward your chest. Pull it up here, you feel a stretch down the back part here. Just bring it up, hold it. 30 seconds. Hi guys, pardon the interruption. We'll get back to the video in just a second, but I need your help because I make a lot of content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues. If you look at a lot of my videos, there's a lot of comments. People really appreciate the work that I'm doing, and I'm super happy that I'm helping these people. But you can help me more. If you're not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? You're gonna help the algorithm. You're gonna basically get this content out to more people. Yeah, as my content, as my channel grows, more people will get my great content. It's going to help a lot of people suffering with their low back pain issues get back on the road to recovery. It's a small ask because I do make a lot of work here. Of course, I do a lot of filming, producing, etc., editing. Okay, it's a lot of my time to make this content, and I really appreciate that you guys like it. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and enjoy the rest of the video. Place it down carefully. Again, we're going to be running through stretches carefully, don't jerking from stretch to stretch, okay? Bring this one up here, hold, very nice, 30 seconds, place it back down. Now we're gonna work into the hamstring region. Quite often tight hamstrings, people have very tight hamstrings, have been sitting all day. It can exacerbate lower back problems. So we're gonna take left leg, catch behind the knee, and then I want you to straighten it up as much as you can to feel tension start to come down the back of your leg, back your calf here, and you can hold with both hands, okay? Hold it, 30 seconds, that's great. And let it come off, place it down, take the other leg up, again stretch till I feel the tension start here, hold, both hands. And during the stretching, don't hold your breath, breathe naturally, okay? Nice deep breaths in and out, here like so. Excellent, and come down. Okay, now I'm going to get you guys, you're going to rotate onto all fours. You're going to be rotating gently over. You come. We're going to come up onto this position here. Now it's got a few different names. I tend to call it the cat cow in North America. We call it the cat camel in Europe. And gentle rhythmic motion here. You want to be gently curving the spine round, dropping the chin towards the chest, and then arching, tilting my head back. And I like people, when they do this, to go in the mid-range. You're not excessively arching, not excessively rounding. You want to be in the mid-range. It's more of a kind of gentle mobility move. And you want to do I would do 10 of these. Okay, so 2 movements is 1, 2, 3, like so, okay? Now from there, we're gonna go into stretch the inside of the thighs. This is the adductors here. So I'm gonna show you from the front. So you're gonna open your knees as wide as they can go, okay? Try to keep your ankles in line with your knees. Pop your hands in front for stability, and then push those knees a bit wider, and then just lean the hips forward, and you'll feel the stretch coming in the inside of your thighs. So I'll show you from the side as well. As wide as we can go, and just lean forward like so. Feel that stretch in the inside of your thighs. You want to increase it more. I could squeeze my glutes. See if I just tuck my glutes under and squeeze. I feel it a lot more on the inside of my thighs. Hold that, 30 seconds, that's great. And then we're gonna come on up into what's called the serving knight position. From the front, here like so. Okay, I've got a nice stable base here. I'm going to be stretching the hip flexor section here. This area can pull on the lower back as well. Want to be sure it's nice and mobile, flexible for us. So I'll show you from this side, or in this position. I squeeze my glutes, I tuck my tail under, and I feel the stretch start to kick in the top part of my thigh. I want to increase it, make it a little bit more tension. Kick out my back foot to the right with the right leg, like so. Keep my hips square. I squeeze again. Squeeze, hold. Feel that stretch coming down the hip flexor. Perfect. Hold it 30 seconds. Relax it off. Other one down. Here. Kick out the back leg. Squeeze the glutes. Again from this side. You see the glute squeeze. Here. Squeeze the glute. So that's arched. Squeeze. That turns the stretch on. Hold that glute squeeze, hold that stretch. Nice tall posture, 30 seconds. Then we're going to finish very simply in this serving knight position here. Bring your hands up here, slowly, carefully, rotate as far as you can comfortably to one side, hold that for 10 seconds, back to the other side, hold that for 10 seconds, and you feel a stretch through the sort of torso, lower back region, okay? Switch legs. And again, I want you to go to one side, hold it for 10 seconds, back to this side, as far as you can, hold it for 10 seconds. Guys, there's 8, 9 nice stretching mobility moves that should give you some nice low back pain relief. Listen, any problems, questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. If you want to reach out to me directly, my email's down there as well in the description. Drop me an email. I'm always here to help you guys as best I can. Don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.